et après on en parle autre chose. Ne bougez pas, merci de rester sur le Speakage. Bienvenue à ceux-là qui viennent de se joindre à nous. Vous êtes en direct de My TV Channel et vous regardez le Speaker Show. C'est un plaisir d'être avec vous. Alors, c'est l'émission là qui vous apporte éducation, information, mais surtout la bonne humeur à travers le divertissement qui est proposé ici par les activités que nous vous proposons. N'oublions pas que c'est une production, bien sûr, de l'agence de communication et événementiel, le Speaker Event, prêt à vous accompagner dans tous vos besoins de communication, mais surtout événementiel. Aujourd'hui, nous avons le plaisir de recevoir, attention, l'un des jeunes les plus, comment on dit ça, les plus osés, ou encore ceux-là qui ont le cœur. On dit souvent que lorsque vous voyez les gens en route avec leur corps, faites attention parce que les petits corps parfois cachent des choses énormes et grandes. Elle est présidente fondatrice d'une agence Be Your Own Model qui vous défie à être vos propres modèles à vous. Elle est beaucoup. Elle est présentatrice radio, télévision. Elle est artiste, ministre de l'Éternel. Elle porte des casquettes, mais la dernière, c'est celle de la femme leader. Donc on retrouve sur la télévision à Blaze TV, actuellement disponible sur YouTube et en Facebook et sur Facebook pour vous. Aujourd'hui, elle vous apporte un concept spécial, inédit. Nous savons tous que le buzz a toujours été ce qui parle mal de quelqu'un. Lorsqu'on dit que quelqu'un a chié dans son caleçon, ça fait le buzz et c'est intéressant. Les gens aiment bien lire ça. Mais voici qu'aujourd'hui, elle vous apporte quelque chose de plutôt différent, vraiment très, très différent, du jamais vu. Ne bougez pas, on va en parler. Rassurez-vous de tout suivre jusqu'à la fin. Elle, c'est Patrick. Charismatique. Elle a des noms en tout cas. Good afternoon, Charisma. Welcome.
And Jerry, how are you?
I'm fine. Are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
It's good to have you on the
It's
Speaker
good to
Show.
be on your platform. I'm so privileged. It's been a long time, and
Really.
I feel that this is an honor. I've known you for over the years, and you've been doing this. You have been so consistent, and I must say you inspire me.
Thank you. Thank you. It's
I'm
good
happy
to know
to
that.
be here.
I have always been one of your fans anyway, and I've always been inspired. Anyway, we inspire each other even when we handle an event together.
Yes.
And it's always a pleasure to do that.
Yeah.
And today I'm very happy to receive you because I saw something on Facebook about Truth Be Told.
Yes.
I was like, what? I was like, I felt like let's talk about this to Cameroonians.
Very important.
But before, how is Biom doing?
Biom is doing good. Biom is doing fine. We had to go undercover for a while and work out some things. It's important that at every point in time when you are running a vision, you come back to it because the world is evolving. You have to come back and make sure that you want to step up things to meet up with standards. So we had to go undercover for a while, build again, and then come back.
Wow, that's awesome.
But we are doing fine.
What about the leading woman, or should I say Ablaze TV?
Ablaze TV and the leading woman. The leading woman is doing fine. As a matter of fact, tomorrow I'm going to be live on Ablaze TV on Facebook with
that's a rendezvous already.
Yeah, with the most talked about Cameroon gospel music sensation Elizabeth Teke, who is making waves in the industry. She's going to be my guest tomorrow.
Morning.
Live 3 p.m. So the leading woman is doing fine. This year we wanted to really start up big because last year we ran just like 10 episodes of the show, which were powerful. The public welcomed it so well, and this year we wanted to simply come back more powerful and do better than last year. So this is officially going to be the first of the Leading Woman show tomorrow, and it's going to be a live session with Elizabeth Teke. So everybody can look forward to that and join the live
Charisma,
show.
how do you define yourself? I've known you for years now, and it's like every day there's something new that comes out of you. By the day, how do you define yourself?
I simply think I am a purpose-driven somebody. I have found what my purpose is, and I am simply living my life trying to fulfill it. That is me.
What is your purpose?
Jerry, that's such a vague question because you as a person who knows me, you know that I do a lot of things.
Yeah.
But amongst everything, there is always one that is your calling that God has called you to do. And I think that is using my voice to reach out to the people positively. It could be through singing, which is a call that I personally know about. It could be through the TV shows that I do. It could be through my hosting, my communication skills. So God has given me an assignment to be able to motivate, to enhance, to promote people to live in originality and self-belief, self-confidence. And that is what I'm called to do. That is what I am doing.
If you want to test, go right now, type on Facebook, be your own model, or just follow a name, Patrick.
Charisma Esther Patrick Adedamola.
Follow the name on Facebook and you'll be amazed to know that she does not need to tell you, but through her activities you will know that she is a motivational speaker. She is a motivational personality because she does not really speak about it, but you see her do and you are motivated. And that's the reason why right now we're talking about an amazing idea. I don't know how you managed to come with the idea.
Truth be told. Yes. So, Jerry, Truth Be Told is a campaign. It's a social media campaign that the idea recently came to me because, Jerry, I was talking earlier with Randy behind the scenes, and I was telling him that I get motivated by a couple of things, especially the things that happen around me. So a lot of things are happening in the world that we cannot deny. The world happens to be a global village that we can all see through the internet, and we cannot deny that we don't see the things that are happening. I might want to limit myself to just my community, to my country, Cameroon, but I see things that happen in other countries in the world, and it is so disturbing. It is heartbreaking. We live in an era where people find pleasure, like you said from the beginning of the show, that what makes burst is negativity. That people find pleasure in coming online to fight each other, in meeting people on the streets, fighting them, in wanting to drag someone down. And when I sit back and look at all these things, Jerry, they hurt me really deep inside, especially because of the purpose and call that I have. And so when I was beginning to look at the things that are happening back in our country, I was telling Randy and I was telling him that, for example, Cameroon just got a spotlight on Netflix. We have 2 movies that just made it to Netflix at almost the same time, Therapy and The Fisherman's Diary by Nkan Quintus. And what happens is our Cameroonian youths, we are supposed to be celebrating this, but what we come to the internet to do, or what we show to the rest of the world, is how much we don't love ourselves. We come online, and instead of celebrating this major step that Cameroon has taken to the international scene, what we do is we come online to fight and debate and try to pick which one went first to that platform and which one came second. That is not supposed to be the focus. We are supposed to be celebrating that milestone that Cameroon has taken. So all these things, they break my heart. And I realized that a lot of backlashing of one another on the internet. Today this person is launching a movie. Tomorrow this person is not launching a movie because they want to pass out a message. They are launching it because they want to counteract the other person who just launched. They want to prove a point that I can do better. And all this fighting is not what the world needs. We are in a lot of crisis, and we need to be able to stand for one another instead in this time, so that we can have things come back to normal and be better. So that is how I was motivated to start up a campaign that I think has to do with the fighting of hate speech. You come online, if you don't have anything positive to say about somebody, then don't say something. If you must say a word about somebody, especially addressing somebody, let it be something positive about that person. The world has overknown Cameroon for negativity. They know us for fighting. They know us for our crisis. What do they not know us for? So let them get to know us this time for the good things that we have to offer, for the positive things that we have to offer. And one thing that I discovered doing my research, I realized that, Jerry, when somebody is doing something bad, and you have to insist and emphasize on that thing, you only push them to doing more of that negative thing. Because they will sit back in their closet and tell themselves that, okay, everybody already thinks this is who I am this negative, so let me end at doing this, because if I do contrary, they might not believe me since they already know me as a negative person. At the same time, when someone is doing something great, Jerry, like this show you are doing is a great initiative. Now, if I come to you and I encourage you and I tell you that, Jerry, I love your show. The last edition I watched, I saw this person, the person motivated me, you said this thing that inspired me, and you realize that from what you said, my life becomes better. I pick up lessons and I do better. It will motivate you to do better. You will want to do more of those positive things. Now, this is why I came up with the campaign. Let us be able to trigger people to do more of the beautiful things that they do by simply telling them how they have been an inspiration, reminding them of the good side of them, the good things that they have been doing, and not the negative side of it.
Wow.
So that we can put a beautiful picture of Cameroon to
Ça, c'est
the
le
world.
bon buzz. On dirait que c'est le buzz de la période du carême ou encore de la période pascale pour plusieurs autres personnes. Qu'est-ce qu'elle est en train de dire? Elle est en train de mettre sur pied un concept qui a été lancé le 1er avril.
Yes.
Et elle dit, s'il vous plaît, chers Camerounais ou encore Camerounais, Camerounaises, lorsque vous allez sur Facebook, le Cameroun est connu déjà pour tout ce qui est de négatif, les crises et tout ce qui va avec.
Yeah.
Mais il est important qu'à un moment donné, on s'arrête et qu'on dise seulement du bien de quelqu'un. Alors, chaque fois que vous allez aller sur Facebook et que vous voulez écrire quelque chose sur Facebook, rassurez-vous que ce que vous allez écrire soit quelque chose de bien concernant quelqu'un ou encore un bien qui célèbre quelqu'un. Sinon, ne dites rien. Ne dites rien.
Yeah.
But now, how do we connect to the campaign? You know, how do we connect? Do we have some things that we must respect to make sure that what we're doing is in relationship
Yes.
with the campaign? How do we go about it?
Yes, first of all, the campaign has a hashtag.
Okay.
A hashtag is an easy way to be able to trace something on social media.
Yeah.
So you just put a hash, the hash signal,
Yeah.
and then you attach the name of the campaign, which is Truth Be Told.
Okay.
So to easily identify it on social media, or if you want to participate and be part of it, once you put up your post, it's either you start it with the hashtag Truth Be Told, or you write Truth Be Told hashtag at the end of your post, or you use positivity only. Those are the particular hashtags that are accompanying the campaign. So it's Truth Be Told, positivity only. So either of them works.
Wow.
Yeah. Positivity only. Yes.
Or truth be told.
Truth be told.
Donc voilà le hashtag qu'il faut utiliser si vous voulez vous joindre à cette campagne-là pour célébrer quelqu'un et être positive en ligne, surtout sur Facebook. Commencez en écrivant le hashtag Truth be told.
Yes.
Truth be told.
Yes.
What if you want to write it in French or it doesn't change? We should write truth.
No,
truth be
it has
told.
to be in English.
Yes.
Yes, let it
Écrivez
be
donc,
Truth Be
même si vous
Told.
voulez écrire du bien, si vous voulez par exemple, vous voulez forcément écrire quelque chose sur Facebook aujourd'hui, prenez ma photo par exemple, filmez sur l'écran là maintenant, écrivez Truth Be Told, hashtag Truth Be Told. Truth c'est T-H-R-U-T-H,
oui.
B c'est B-E, Told c'est T-O-L-D. Voilà, Truth Be Told sur le hashtag. Et puis dites quelque chose de bien. Dites par exemple que Jerry le speaker est peut-être le plus grand des présentateurs
Oui.
des
Il
cérémonies
est bilingue.
par exemple.
Yeah.
Dites quelque chose de bien de quelqu'un sur Facebook.
Yes.
Mettez le hashtag et
Yes.
vous serez en train de vous joindre
Yeah.
bien sûr à cette campagne. But I feel like asking this question, what do you gain after such a campaign? When when you're going to watch Facebook, all Facebook, Truth Be Told, everybody celebrating everybody,
Yeah.
what is going to be your gain at the end?
My gain is the satisfaction I will have knowing that we have the true image of Cameroon projected to the world again.
Okay.
Because this country, like they say, is Africa in miniature. We cannot deny it. It is not a lie.
Yeah.
Even our national anthem calls it the land of promise. There is a lot about Cameroon that the world needs to know.
Yeah.
So I will find fulfillment when I realize that more than just the people that have already engaged in the campaign have picked this up, and they're not just doing it to support me because they know me, but they're doing it because they realize that this is necessary for our industry. It's just barely 2 days since I launched the campaign, Jerry, and this is me on your platform because you saw it online and you think it is important and worth it. I was blown away this morning when I woke up to more than 100 posts on Facebook from people I don't know.
Wow.
From people I don't know. I can have you have the images so that you run on
Yeah.
your screen. People I don't know.
Wow.
Somebody wrote me to tell me, please, you have to accept my friend request because I just came across a campaign and they told me that you launched it. I want to be part of the campaign and I want to tag you to my post that I'll be putting up.
Wow.
That was already me feeling like, okay, people are welcoming this, not because it's me, but because they feel that this is true, because that is somebody I don't know.
Right.
I've never met him anywhere. He just sent me a friend request and beckoned me to accept his request. So I don't need to have a financial gain from it. I just need to know that the message I want to pass across goes across and goes across correctly.
Un message fort, important, un message puissant en cette période même que nous allons célébrer Pâques. Pourquoi pas décider d'être amour? Pourquoi pas véritablement décider de dire du bien de quelqu'un? We're going to go out with this last question because it concerns our talking point today.
Okay.
We're asking ourselves how you can live well with hypocrites. You know, you have people around, you have situations where you have somebody very close to you. You cannot send the person away from you. You must live with that person.
Yes,
but that
yes.
person is always claiming to be the wisest, always playing you, always being
My
so
God.
hypocrite. But you must live with that person. I
Oh,
don't want to
Jerry.
imagine what you've been through before you get to where you are today, but you've definitely gone through difficulties. And many people are blocked in their way because of people's behavior and you know many things. And how do you think that you
Yeah.
can successfully live
Live
with
with
an
hypocrite.
hypocrite and still live well?
Jerry, you know, this question is coming to me as a blow to my face because for the past 1 week I've been dealing with a lot of things that has to do with hypocrites. I am blown away that you are asking me this at this point in time of my life. And at some point, all of us, we must have faced people that have acted hypocritical, or we have been hypocrites to people as well. Nobody is left out.
Yeah.
Sometimes situations push you to act otherwise. Sometimes it's just nature in man that you act like a hypocrite to some situations. And so I believe that, first of all, people who are hypocrites, Jerry, they have low self-esteem.
Okay.
For someone to be a hypocrite, it is out of a low self-esteem.
Okay.
Because if I know my worth, if I know that if I tell you the truth and I stand for the truth, you will not beat me, why should I beat about the bush? Why should I fake it in front of you and do something else behind? So first of all, for you to see someone and identify them as a hypocrite, it means that there is something in them that is missing, that they are fighting and struggling and dealing with, and they cannot help it, they cannot handle it themselves, so they have to now act otherwise to be able to fit in the society. Most people who act hypocritical, they are just finding their way in the society. They want to belong where they are. Naturally, they are unable to belong. Now, to deal with, because we are faced with situations every day that we end up acting that same way, sometimes unconsciously, you simply have to accept people the way they are.
Okay.
If not, you will not live with anybody,
Yeah.
especially in our society today. You should be able to accept people the way they are. Tell yourself the truth. Stand your ground, so that even if someone is acting fake to you, you know the truth, and you will be able to live the truth.
The truth.
That is it. I really think that it's not worth it being a hypocrite.
Yeah.
Be able to believe in yourself. You will never find yourself in that position where you're a hypocrite, because you are simply trying to cover for things. That is why you end up being a hypocrite.
Yeah.
But if you believe in yourself, it will never leave you at the point where you're a hypocrite.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. Message puissant pour des gens qui ont les oreilles. On retient deux choses. Restez vrai. Soyez vrai avec vous-même et en même temps sur Facebook, surtout, allons-y. Tout le monde, dites du bien de quelqu'un. Si vous n'avez jamais écrit pour parler du bien de quelqu'un, essayez pour la
This is
première
the
fois.
opportunity.
N'oubliez pas le hashtag Truth Be Told. Truth be told, say something nice about somebody and just let people celebrate that person. It will remove nothing from what you are.
Not at all.
I want to say thank you very much for
Thank
coming,
you to Jerry
Charisma.
for having
It's
me.
been a pleasure to have you.
Thank you.
When there's a lot we can talk about, but I wanted us just to talk just about the Truth Be
campaign.
Told today, and
Yeah.
there's a lot we can talk about next time.
Okay.
But I know you have always been a motivation to everybody,
Okay.
those who are older and younger than you. Presently, if somebody wants to come closer to you, is there a contact? Because I know that you are an exceptional MC, event planner, organizer.
Yeah.
You are exceptional in the field of communication and other things. Design also. There's a lot you do. Anyway.
Like I'm wearing one of my
Your
designs,
design, that's
yeah.
just awesome. What is the contact and how can people get closer to you?
Okay, people can get to me on Facebook, like I said earlier, Charisma Esther Patrick Adedamola. You can get to me, my official page, Charisma Adedamola, on Instagram, Charisma Esther Patrick, Charisma Official, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, every social media platform. And if you have to call